Hello students, welcome back. The last sequence that we are going to study is harmonic progression or sequence. Okay, so a sequence is said to be harmonic sequence of progression if the reciprocal of its term are arithmetic progression, or we can say that if a sequence is given to you and if you reciprocate them, it will be turned into an arithmetic progression. So that is how harmonic progression is. Okay, since the general form of AP is this, now we know that the general form of AP was A plus D, where D was the common difference. So we add on the common difference throughout. Okay, and the final term to find out the final formula that we got after for nth term was this, A plus n minus 1D. Okay, now if you're talking about harmonic progression, it will be 1 upon A plus D, so on. Okay, till 1 upon A plus n minus D. Now there is an important thing in harmonic progression, that it should not, that the denominator should not be equal to 0. Okay, if let's suppose for any reason the denominator is 0, so for harmonic progression we cannot work accordingly. So provided none of the denominator is 0, it's one of the important condition for harmonic progression. Now to find out the nth term of the harmonic progression, we have the formula, that is T of n is equals to AB upon B plus n minus 1 into A minus B. Okay, now n is the term that is asked for. A is the first term of the sequence and B represent the second term of the sequence. Alright, now for example, find the 20th term of an HP, of which the first two terms are 2 upon 39 and 2 by 37. Now this is a sequence they have already mentioned, it's an HP. Okay, and they have asked us to find out the 20th term. Given the two terms of the sequence are 2 upon 39 and 2 by 37. So we are using the formula for the arithmetic progression. So after substituting the values of A, B and N into my formula, this is what my final answer, that is 2. Okay, now let's just do it with another alternative method, as it was said that harmonic progression is the reciprocal of arithmetic progression. Now let's suppose if you wanted to convert that progression into arithmetic progression, so the first term would be 39 upon 2 and 37 by 2. Initially they were 2 by 39 and 2 by 37. Now what we are doing is we are converting that harmonic progression into arithmetic progression by reciprocating them. Alright, so by taking reciprocal, what we got is 39 upon 2 and 37 upon 2. Okay, now if you wanted to find out the common difference D will be minus 1. 37 by 2 minus 39 by 2. If you just take out the difference between these two terms, you will be getting minus 1. So as you know, the common difference rule for arithmetic progression was A2 minus A1. Okay, so after performing that, this is what the common difference is, that is minus 1. Okay, now we wanted to find the 20th term of the AP. Initially, because we have converted that harmonic progression into arithmetic progression, we will be finding out 20th term of the AP first. Okay, and then after that we will reciprocate it to find out the answer for harmonic progression. Okay, so T of 20, now we know the formula A plus n minus 1D. So after just solving it, this is what my answer, that is 1 by 2. Now if I wanted to find out answer for HP, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take reciprocal of this term. So this will be 2 by 1 or 2. So the 20th term of HP is 2. Okay, so that means that now whenever any term for HP is required, okay, and the sequence is given to you, what you can do is you convert that sequence into arithmetic progression by taking its reciprocal. Find out the common difference between 2 to 3 terms, okay, so that it's confirmed that it's now converted into an arithmetic progression. Then you can find out the term required in arithmetic progression. After the substitutions, the value substitution formula, the final answer that you will get, just reciprocate it again so that you will get the answer for harmonic progression. I hope that you have understood. Thank you. So thank you.